Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're not going to work on Crusty, unfortunately. Sitting there looking all good and stuff. But we're gonna go help Clay. I told him I'd help him, so he's on the way to pick me up. We're gonna pull the engine out of his red truck. He wants to go get it rebuilt, so we're gonna pull it on out of there. All right, we made it. You ready to pull his engine out
Yeah, I reckon.
of the F-150
As
here?
long as the machine shop does their job, we should be alright. I hope. We'll find out.
This is Clay's uncle's garage. This is what I need.
That's what I need. Or one of us needed.
One of us.
I can store something I should in yours.
That's super nice.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff in there. It's heat and work, and only has AC though, and it's just furnace. That's it. And a little insulation. Oh, I didn't realize you got a big on air compressor there. That's it. We all right. Got a welder over there.
Oh, there's a Ford sign over there.
Yeah, but that's different, I guess.
It's different.
Still Ford. You like them all Ford tractor stuff.
You got some nice cars over here. Cadillacs, Pontiac.
63, 64, and that Pontiac's like Bonneville's at 58, 59, something like that. Can't remember exactly what.
What year is that thing?
That's about the same year. It's a, what is it? Can't think of what it is now. Well, Sabre, that's what it is. It's like 58, I think. Still, that's original.
It's
paint.
cool looking.
Yeah. It's still a fun car. It has like 70-some thousand original miles on it. Runs good. I think they drove that Hershey, Pennsylvania too. The big car show. And a white Cadillac they have.
Yeah, them cars are super nice.
Yeah, 63, that's what that is. Yeah. Keep it covered up. I don't remember what year that one. There it is. There's a little welder if you need it.
This was about the same year, ain't it?
63. Yeah, nice. It's a big car.
It's a big car.
It's a boat. I don't think I rode in either one of these, I don't think. But I rode in Pontiac and the Buick. Actually, I drove the Buick. I was going to drive the car show. We got that cheap Chinese condenser Ford, so like a good brand, like AC Delco or something.
Yeah.
And it just started. You just couldn't make it up that hill down there.
Oh.
Brakes a little flaky on it, but man, it's an old car, so.
That's a lot of cars to stop too.
Yeah. You get to stomp on it, it's just like. It don't even stop as good as in the yard dog's loaded trailer and all.
Yeah.
Even you pulling, it's probably about like pulling a grinder. Feels like.
It's probably got drum brakes all the way around too.
Yeah, I think it does. They just had to replace one of them. Had some messed up with. It's the old Bonneville. This is my favorite one out here. She's pretty. The old interior too. Not real nice interior on it. Comfortable as hell. It's 3 on tree.
I don't know if you...
It's a beautiful car. I love it.
Yeah.
It actually haul ass. You're not as much off the line, but once you get it going, it just start rolling.
It's nice.
They might be running a little rich. Yeah, one time I got on, you see like a little black cloud come out in the field. Probably.
And then you got your truck.
Alright. Yeah, I'll say the name about Crusty, alright? Yeah. She'll be coming out, hopefully.
Yeah. So I guess we go ahead and get started here. Take your hood off and...
That's it.
Alright, we got the hood off. I'm unhooking the throttle cables and stuff here. I'm gonna get the wiring harness off, the intake off, and Clay's taking the starter and stuff off. Yeah, and then we got his exhaust to take off and a lot of stuff to take off.
Yeah. It'll be worth it.
It's perfectly good running truck. We're gonna take it apart.
You ain't gotta say it like that. It should be even better running truck, hopefully.
Clay wants to put a cam in this thing, and it's got over 200,000 miles on it, so he wants to take it out and get it rebuilt before he puts a cam in it. So that's what we're doing. Alright, we got the intake off. Got the torque converter bolts out and all the transmission bolts. He's gonna pull his harmonic balancer off real quick. And then we got the motor mount bolts to take off, and then we can pull it on out here. What do you think?
I reckon I'm about to get tired. I'm gonna get this joker's coming out. My fat ass up in here.
If you didn't have this brush guard, you could just lean over the front.
Hey, that brush guard told me to get up here. Yeah. Man, I need to loosen it up a little bit now.
Been giving Clay hell about his 4-wheel drive truck.
You'll see when it snows who needs who then. I'll lock her in 4 high there. No, I'll give her hell.
You got it?
It's closed.
There you go. You got her, dear.
Alrighty. Vote we've been waiting on. Beer 30, tired. Morning. Good. I'm send that to get a little sponsored.
Alright, we got her out. This thing was a little sketchy.
Still is.
I don't know if it's bent or what, but it's off the ground. Kind of teeter-totter.
She's out.
And there's the spaghetti of wires. And we got to hook back up. These shears didn't look like mine.
How does it look, actually?
Mine had barnacles and shit growing on it.
Barnacles? No place we gotta put state right. I guess I keep the dig on the plates. That'll probably be alright.
Yeah.
What else gonna be fresh?
The push rods. Oh, you're making a mess. You making a mess in your uncle's floor. I got evidence.
You already saw it.
All the push fries going in the trash.
That's all it's gonna be worth.
Just throwing all the stuff away. There you go.
Yeah, I'll just put it in. Let that mullet breathe a little bit.
It's getting wild back here.
Smacking my ears.
Shit. Try to, oh, we still got bolts. Damn. That's why.
Okay.
Alright. So
No wonder there's so many damn bolts in there.
if we take the rest of the bolts out, probably get the heads off.
I'm trying to get it too far along, ain't you?
That went nothing. I see you ain't good at basketball.
I am at HHW, but easy as my rain.
So if he gets the rest of them out, then the heads will be ready to come off this time. They'll probably come off a little easier this time.
You didn't mind
They'll probably just, yeah. The coolerant's gonna go.
Man, my socket's soaked. She's a little crusty up in there, ain't she?
Yeah, buddy.
And pistons rough.
The cylinder walls are nice and smooth. We can go ahead and put some stay dry now before your uncle whoops your ass.
Wish old man would I'd kick his ass and take his head up. I don't know what, look at that. Look okay. And it's smooth as shit.
Yeah, cylinder walls look good by eye.
Look, crusty ass piston. And the piston scorched?
It's just carbon. Alright, we got her tore down all the way. This is the back of the engine. And you can see how much brass is on that bearing there. So this, you see the brass on there.
Yeah. You about had her.
So it's caught it just in time. Alright, we got a huge mess to clean up. We still gotta put the hood back on the truck and roll it out of here. His uncle wants it out of his garage. So,
because it's not gonna have an old school small block.
alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up and head on to the house.
We're talking about Dodge's chicken first, though.
I think he's hungry.
I'm gonna get like 4 sandwiches, man. I'm telling you what.
Clay's a little bit hungry.
He's gotta eat.
I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.